to the ordinary causes is to attribute the effects to ordinary causes. And Sheikh said, كَشِرْكُ الْفَلَاسِفَةِ وَالطَّبَائِعِينَ, like the shirk of the philosophers and the naturalists. How? Because they believe that Allah doesn't exist. They believe that everything happened based on natural. Allah said in the Quran, they will say, they said, there is nothing. There is nothing. They say there is nothing but وقالوا, the verses I remember now, وقالوا ما هي وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر. They said there is nothing in this world, there is nothing on this world rather than we will die, we will live, and nothing destroys us except time. Are we together? They said even this mosque, it just happened on its own. Nobody built it. The one of our company. But this everything about life is by nature. It just happened. You as a human being, you just found yourself coy. There is one Hausa boy, you will see him on social media. He doesn't believe. I don't know whether you've come across that boy. Come across it. Mubarak. That is Mubarak Balaku. Allah, somebody told me about that guy. He said he doesn't believe in anything. And somebody, they say, they asked me about it, what of your mother? He said, it's my mother. Shikenan. You can see his name, Mubarak. Mubarak. So they believe that everything that just happened, it happened. So when you ask them, Hasbunallah, we have to thank Allah. Alhamdulillah. It's not our doing, it's by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Sheikh said, وَمَنْ تَبِعَهُمْ عَلَى ذَلِكَ, and those who follow them on that path. This is shirk. If you believe that everything happened by nature, this is shirk. Because Allah said, إِنَّ اللَّهُ خَالِقُ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَكِيلٌ. Allah created everything. Everything is created by Allah, and somebody says everything is happened by nature. This is contradiction to the statement of Allah. This is disbelief in Allah. May Allah continue to guide our iman. The last one, regarding these 6 types of shirk by Sheikh Al-Kafari, وشرك الأغراض. شرك الأغراض. This is the shirk of purpose. Shirk of purpose. There is shirk of purpose. وهو العمل لغير الله, is performing acts of worship for worldly gain or for personal interest rather than sincerely for Allah. This is shirk. We were discussing in our mosque this morning. A brother was narrating that this Hajj this Hajj, somebody collected one old man, I think $500, and he gave him $1. So the guy was so astonished. Why can somebody do that? And I respond to him that, do you know, some